Thank you very much. Today, I want to present my research about the effect of problem-based and discovery learning model with the science approach to the understanding concept and science process skill of the student. I am Aris Doyan from Master of Science Education Study Program, University of Mataram, West Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. This is my abstract. You can see the summary of this abstract. Introduction. The learning process in the 2013 curriculum is carried out using the scientific approach. The goal of implementing the 2013 curriculum is the formation of competence and character of students in the form of combination of knowledge, skill, and attitude that students can demonstrate as a form of understanding of the concept that are studied contextually. The orientation of physics learning is more toward planting knowledge of basic concepts, developing basic skills related to the scientific processes, and developing logical thinking time. The purpose of this study was to determine the effects of different in discovery learning model with scientific approach on the student learning outcome. Uh, the methods using research design in a factory design to cross two. That is, there are dependent variable and independent variable. You can see like this table, dependent variable PBL with scientific approach, discovery learning with a scientific approach, and independent variable science process skill and understanding process skill. The data obtained in the study were in the form of student science process skill, score data in the aspect of observing, clarifying, measuring, asking questions, and formulating a hypothesis, planning, investigation, interpreting information, and communicating. The data on physics learning outcome in the cognitive domain consists of 25 multiple choice questions in the cognitive domain C1 to C6, that is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, equation, evaluation, and creating. Data that we normally distribute and homogeneous for each variable obtained were analyzed using t-test analysis and voodoo test with hard link trace maneuver statistic. The value of increase in the two mission variable is analyzed based on the mean and gain score with the following clarification bigger than 70% and between 30 until 70% and gain and less than 30%. Result and discussion. The result of hypothesis test for experiment class 1 and class 2 you can see in this table 2. In this class experiment 1 with understanding concept and SPS. We get data, his alternative hypothesis alternative retrieved of the class. And for endgame, for test for experimental class 1 and class 2, we get the data endgame in category middle test. And then for result analysis using MANOVA hot-link trace, we get data comparison of experiment 1 and experiment 2. We get F count statistic bigger than F table, that is 70.57, bigger than 1.78. Comparison of the endgame value of the concept understanding experiment class 1 and class 2, class 1 and experiment 2 with a submaterial. For experiment 1, the inside category middle and high, and also experiment 2 in category middle and high. And for endgame, for submaterial learning outcome student, you can see in this figure, figure 1. Okay, and for endgame, for indicator SPS science process skill, experiment 1 and experiment 2, every indicator there are in category middle and high category. The highest category, there are in category clarify with data 95.12 for experiment 1, and experiment 2 in category planning and investigation with score 89.37, and for measure highest than the last one is 99.99. And again, for indicator of student science process skill, you can see in figure 2. Okay, the conclusion, based on the research result, it's found that the effects of learning with a problem-based model was better for student learning outcome and science process skill. The percentage of endgame value show that the increase in student learning outcome and science process skill is higher in the student who learning using a problem-based learning model with scientific approach. The problem-based learning model can be a solution to improve student learning outcome and assign process skill in dynamic electrical material. We acknowledgement Thank you to the research team, to the head of Basic Education Department, Mataram University, for facilitating the implementation of this research to completion, as well as all those who have helped in this research. Thank you very much for your attention and good afternoon.